Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. People call me coach, so it makes it real simple. If you have any questions about today's coach or any other coach, please give me a call at 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2019 3401 Bay Star by Newmar. Let's go inside and take a look around. King size bed, windows on both sides so you get some fresh air at night while you're sleeping. Window in the back lets in a lot of natural light. Look at all the room at the end of the bed here. Big closet space here. Storage drawers down below. Newmar makes a great coach. Built by the Mennonites and the Amish back in Annapolis, Indiana. 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, 4-inch floor. Built on 16-inch center hung wall just like a house. Great construction, great insulation. Going to keep you warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Over here we've got more storage. Look at the closet space here. It goes all the way back in, all the way across. With more drawers down below. Right here we've got a little more storage. Plenty of storage. Nice sized bathroom, rounded shower, gives you lots of elbow room. Nice vanity over the sink, plenty of room to store all your hair products and everything else you need in that area. Even has a towel rack here with a mirror on the back of the door. As we move into the living room area, we have a huge TV, eye-level TV. We have a fireplace that does put out heat and heats this coach. You can see it's all ducted in the ceiling. Big couch here, folds out, makes a nice bed. If you have any guests, 4-door refrigerator with ice maker. Great for longer trips. If you want to go see all the country, take some people with you, you got plenty of storage here. Corian countertops, 3-burner cook stove on top here, storage down below, microwave convection. Big enough to cook a pretty good size meal in there. Stainless steel sinks, sprayer on the nozzle here, storage underneath the dinette area. Both these chairs up front swivel around so you can have more guests. You've got a great cockpit here with automatic levelers. You got electric mirrors. You got side cameras. You've got generator start here on the dash. You've got a desk over here on the passenger side. Makes it nice. We're going to go outside and take a look around now. Very well insulated. These coaches do stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. All right, moving outside. Frameless windows. Cap on the awning to protect it from the sun. Lots of storage. This coach has alloy wheels, 22.5s. Big storage area here, goes all the way across. TV on the outside. Notice the side opening compartments. Now there's a tank right there, but you still have room to stuff some stuff into. More storage here. Plug-ins on the outside in case you want to hook something up out here. This coach has an awning 5500 gas generator. All the Newmar products have flush fitting slides that fit into this receptacle area right here, pushing the gasket there, not on the outside of the coach where rain is being pushed against that gasket. On this coach, when it's in, this gasket does not see the sun. That means it lasts longer. Okay, and the rain goes over the top instead of being pushed against that gasket. More storage here that goes all the way across. Same thing here. Okay, 5,000-pound tow capacity, ladder, LED lights, backup camera, large window in the back, toppers on the slides. Steel on this slide here. Newmar is the first company to put a slide in a motorhome. 50 amp cord. More storage there. Storage here. Place for your sewer hose. Gas tank fill right there. Outdoor shower, water hookups, filter. More storage here. Again, can't have too much. Propane, large tank. Here's those 22.5 alloy wheels. Side cameras here. Folks, I know you have more questions. Please give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. Take a look at this 2019 3401 Bay Star by Newmar. Have a great day. Thank you.